People power.
Our power.
Our power.
People power.
Yes. Mr. President, Madam Deputy President, Honorable Leader of Opposition, Secretary General, Members of Parliament present, Comrade Nubian Lee, Madam Deputy Mayor, and Comrade George Semakula. Also known as Eddy Mutwe. And I'm very humbled to stand before you today here in Chicago. I would not be here today if it were not for your leadership, Mr. President. Thank you for your reality and the goodwill. Comrades, the journey that brought us together today was not just about crossing from one continent to another. It was a journey to confirm that in the struggle for freedom, the efforts of everyone count no matter where they stay. It does not matter how educated or not, young or old, how experienced or not. We are all important. We all matter. And we all have a stake in rebuilding our country, Uganda. Yes. Our commitment to the struggle for a free Uganda is not measured by the physical distance between us. It is measured by our determination to keep going until the fight is over. To keep going no matter the hardship we find along the way. We are united here today not just because we are friends, but because we share the desire to see a new Uganda.
Yes!
A new Uganda where everyone is treated like a human being, no matter where you come from, who they know or where they stay. A new Uganda where it is not a crime to oppose corruption and dictatorship. I repeat, a new Uganda where it is not a crime to oppose corruption and dictatorship. Yes. A new Uganda whose leaders act according to the will of the people, rather than against their will. We must keep at this fight until the dream of the Uganda we want becomes a reality. Yes. As we struggle for the new Uganda, let us keep in our mind our comrades who lost their lives along the way. Comrades like Yasin Kauma, Frank Senteza, and recently Kabogo. May their souls rest in peace. We must also pray for our comrades who are still in prison, the likes of my brother Akleo Tivumbi, my sister Olivia Lutaya, Bobby Young, Sanya, and all political prisoners. At least for these comrades' sake, we must never give up. Yes. As I end, let us remain united and stand together in quest for a better country, Uganda. Thank you once again, Mr. President, for this honor. Thank you, Dr. Kauma and your team for all